Mastros exports Instagram data to spreadsheets, straight from the page you're already on. Followers and following, post comments, post likers, posts, reels, and stories. Who doesn't follow you back? Engagement rate with the formula shown. There's no setup. Open Instagram, signed in as you. Open the panel. It reads the page you're on. Set a row cap and run. Then preview and export. Wherever you already are. A profile. A post or reel. The follower's dialog. Search, hashtags, explore. If you can open it, you can export it. What you get is a real spreadsheet. Usernames, names, verified private, who follows you back. Comments with authors, likes, and timestamps. Posts with captions, counts, and dates. Here's the part that matters. Instagram pauses long lists. When it does, the run pauses too, and keeps every row it already has. It resumes from the last row, not the first. Other lists keep running. It runs in your own logged-in session. No password. Your rules stay on your device. Mastros, the Instagram export tool. On the Chrome Web Store,